Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am here for part 3 of the sticker storage series that I am doing to talk about how I store all of the vast number of planner stickers that I own. The first week we talked about my large sticker binders. So I have these full-size binders that are from the Container Store where I store stickers of various categories. Everything is broken up by categories. Last week we talked about shop-specific stickers. So stickers that are from one shop and they're in a binder and they're all from that one shop. This week, we're talking about kind of a bunch of miscellaneous things. We have all of my kits and how I store my sticker kits. These two are weekly and this one is monthly. I have some other miscellaneous binders. This one is the stickers that I use every single week when I plan. Like I can't plan without that binder. These two I'll talk about. I have a bunch of sticker books that I'm going to talk about and how I don't store them, but how I'd like to store them. And then kits that have been used. That's what this pile is. We'll start here because I don't really have a solution for this. I talked about this in last week's video that what I really want to do with samplers is sort of break them all apart so that the stickers can be in their category, because sorting by category really is the best for me and my brain. And so I want to do that with old kits as well. Like this one, I would keep it, these little rectangles and they would go with the red and then the green. I probably wouldn't keep these. I'd keep these little blobbies and I'd have like a whole sheet of blobbies, and maybe these little restaurant ones. I don't use the TV ones, but these are nice for like putting a icon on top of it. I don't know. So it would depend. That is something that I want to do with all of these kits, like extra kits that I've used, but I don't have a solution for that quite yet. All right, so let's start with weekly kits. And these two things are basically the same. One is just the first half of the year, one is the second half of the year. But the binders are from Design Pandemonium. When you bought them, when you bought a specific kit from them, and it came with the matching binder. So that's kind of why I like using these binders. And I talked about this in a video back in December that was part of a huge collaboration with a lot of different planners. And I talked about how to analyze how many weekly kits you have and how to sort of trim it down and keep yourself from buying a lot of weekly kits. And so I talked about my storage there, but I'll flip through it here for you as well. And all I did was take these little clear sheet protectors. I put an Erin Condren in one of the stickers from the back of the planner that just comes with the planner, and I wrote the Monday that starts that week, and then I put the kit in the pocket of the kit that I'm going to use. I'm not going to flip through and tell you all these shops because we'll be here forever in a day, but you can see some of them are punched, and that just goes behind the week. Some of them are actually in the pocket, and then some of them, these stupid large Erin Condren ones, are actually just paper clipped in. If anybody has any idea of where to get page protectors that are big enough for these stickers, you will be my best friend. I need those in my life. Basically, I will put a kit in every pocket, and then you quickly realize how many kits you own, and it's all pretty much planned out for the whole year. Now, will things move around? Yes, because I get kits from 2 different sticker subscriptions, from Design Pandemonium and Oh Hello Stationery. And so if a kit comes that I like better, like I actually think I'm going to use this one from Oh Hello instead of this Planner Kate one. I haven't moved it around yet, but things do get moved around, and that's why I kind of like it. And then I end up with all these extra kits. So in the back of this one in particular, I have all my Erin Condren sheets. One is like rainbow, specific colors, and then specific kits. Because there's so many weeks, this is just January through June. And then this one it's actually July through December. These are the last couple weeks of the year. I haven't moved them back to the front yet so that we can be on the first week of July. These dates are actually 2018 dates because that's when I started this whole process. But I just have so many. Look at all these kits that need to get sorted. Holy moly. I have a system I like. I like my system. I just need to spend some time with it and make sure my whole year is ready to go. That is how I organize my weekly kits. It works for me. I have kits for pretty much the entire year and I'm good to go. So really, I don't need to buy any kits this year. Hear that, Laken? No more kit buying. There's a couple empty weeks in here for various planner events where I want to buy stickers specific to that event. Otherwise, we're good to go. So I basically did the same thing for the monthly kits. This binder is from Lillie Henry, but I use this for monthly kits, and I do the same thing where I'll put the kit that I'm going to use in the page protector. I have the month up, and then I will paper clip the Erin Condren sticker sheets that go with that month because I like to use these as sort of decorative. So that's literally what we've got for the entire year. And then in the back, I have some of the stickers that I use to plan my month. So I have the Planner Kate ones that change the dates, these little tiny ones from Oh Hello. I sometimes like to use these picture ones from Lillie Henry when I have a picture that I want to put. And then these large quote stickers from Design Pandemonium that are clear that fit at the top of the Erin Condren. And then in the back, I have my perpetual calendar that's got birthdays and stuff in it. I have a blank one too. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. And then I have the newest sticker book in the back here as well. So this is my, I'm gonna plan my month binder, and I take it out when it's time to do a monthly plan with me. All right, this is, you can see it has gotten a lot of love, is my go-to. I am planning my week. I need this sticker binder, and this is a Chrisanne Designs binder. And it has all the stickers that I use every single week when I plan. I set this up, and this was my setup before I became a weekly kit user. So there are some things about this that I actually want to change. So I have this little pocket in the front, which I have my YouTube stickers from Coffee Monster Co. because I literally use those every single week and I need them right here. And then I have some of the checklist stickers that I make myself. Before I started using weekly kits, I always use the ones I made myself. So that's why they were always the first thing. And then I have some birthday stickers. I don't usually put birthdays on the week layout anymore, so these should probably just go live with the birthdays and be done with it. These I still really do like. Maybe I need to start using these again because I could use them for the things I want to get done each week. So what I use them for is in the top left corner of a planner spread, where right now I would put a matching quote sticker. I would put this, and it would have things I wanted to get done throughout the week, but I didn't have a place for them on the weekly layout yet. We'll see. I have a bunch of sheets of them. They're from Chrisanne Designs, and I haven't used them in a while. And then here's another thing I'm really torn about. I have sports stickers, and I moved some of them over here because I thought, well, I wanted them to be closer and easier to access than in those big binders, which is where you saw my other sports stickers. But it's, I don't know, they're not all together. Like, all the sports stickers should be together. So I don't know. I have them here so that they're easier to access, but I don't love them here. I have this day off sticker from Lillie & Co. And then I have a bunch of weather stickers from a bunch of variety of different shops. And these still make sense here. And then I have a bunch of weekend stickers. So look, there's my name. These actually is my lettering from Design Pandemonium. But I have a bunch of other weekend stickers that I love as well. And again, when I wasn't using a weekly kit, I would use a weekend sticker from back here. Now that I'm using a weekly kit, these weekend stickers, they don't get touched. So I don't know. These might need to move somewhere else. This whole binder might really kind of need to be revamped a little bit. I'm not entirely sure if it is serving the same purpose that it was serving when I didn't use a weekly kit, and this had everything that I needed to set up the bones of my week. Okay, so we have 2 more binders left. One is pristine and pretty and has barely been touched, and one is clearly falling apart. So let's start with the one that has had a lot of love. And this binder is just so meaningful to me. Like, my first birthday that Sam and I were together, we'd been together almost a year at that point, and he had no idea what to get me. And so he actually reached out to Nina because he had met her, and he asked her what he should do. Like, he didn't understand the sticker planner world and what should he get me for my birthday. And she told him to reach out to 2 people, Sam Kerr at Erin Condren and Vicky at Design Pandemonium. And they both put together incredible gifts. And I think I talked about this in another video because I feel like I remember telling the story, but I can't remember. But anyways, so this is the binder that they designed, him, Design Pandemonium, and then I think Sam helped a little bit with the words too, like delicious. But it's just so sweet. This is one of my favorite things, and it is falling apart because this is the binder I take when I travel. And it's because it just makes me happy. And whether Sam's with me on that trip or not, I like taking this binder with me, but it's definitely seen better days. So it just has a couple things in here that I leave in here for when I travel. One is the samplers from Lillie & Co., these little rainbow like baby samplers. Also, I feel like I should have mentioned this in an earlier video, but let alone in this one too. This sheet protector is the same sheet protector as all the other binders, the big full ones. And then I use a tool, it's called a fuse tool, to fuse it here so that it became 2 pockets. And then you can pick the size that you're fusing. Clearly I want to take hair with me when I travel. So I have all these Lillie & Co. stickers. I have this funny list from Peanut Butter Taco. And then I have just these 2 stickers from Lillie & Co. And then these are the stickers that Design Pandemonium made with this binder. So I just leave them in here because they make me happy. This binder is from last Go Wild when I sat at Kristen's table, Kristen from Chrissy and Design's table at Go Wild, and everybody got one of these binders. And I decided just to put all of my Go Wild stickers in here. It seems sort of like a waste of a binder, like to only have Go Wild stickers in here. It's kind of silly. I agree. But I don't know what the solution is. But I have stickers from a variety of different shops, even the stencils from Journal This Now. This is from first Go Wild. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then just, yeah, some Go Wild stickers. So I don't know. This one kind of seems a little bit silly to have, but I didn't know what else to put in this binder. I have a hard time using like this binder that says Go Wild for like normal stickers, but I should be able to do that because that would make sense. And especially if I transition to all small binders. I said it, I am considering transitioning to all small binders. Not that I don't love my big binders, but so many shops now are doing this like pre-punched thing where they're punched like this, and it would just be easier. It would just be easier to be in a small binder. So we'll see. Those are the last two binders. So then the last sticker thing are sticker books. And I have a couple from the Happy Planner, and then I have this Disillusions one. I have this Mombi one. I don't know what this one is. Erin Condren. This is the Happy Planner. And then these are all Erin Condren. And I'd like to take them apart. That is what I want to do. Like this one is mostly food and drink. So this one would mostly, I guess, just go in food and drink. Maybe I don't need to take this one apart. Oh my God, look at those waffles. But like, and this one is mostly travel. So I guess I don't need to take that one apart. I don't know. I don't have a good example. But I just feel like I don't go look at them. Like this one. The quote stickers should go be with the quote stickers, and this should be with washi strips, you know, because that's the only way that I'm going to use these stickers. I never go look at them like this, ever. I don't know, but I don't want to take it apart and then totally regret it. And like this one has a bunch of boxes, and I feel like it should be, like these should be with the quarter boxes, and these should be with the half boxes, not all within this one sticker book, which I clearly have very, very, very rarely used. Ugh. So let me know in the comments, have you ever stored your sticker books in a way that has worked for you? Because I clearly don't have the answer to that. And then there is one more sticker storage system that I recently got from Design Pandemonium when they rebranded their... Taking out this plastic is so loud. When they rebranded their monthly kit, they also created these new types of binders that sort of have these page protectors built in. And I don't know, I have a love-hate relationship with this setup. I don't necessarily love how floppy the binder is and how different it would look on my shelf with those other ones. But these page protectors are bigger, and I saw somebody post that you can fit the Erin Condren sticker sheets in these binders. And if that is the case, then I just have a lot of thinking to do, because storing these has always been like such a hassle, and trying to figure out how to make that work has been really hard for me. So let's find out. Yep. Totally fits. Oh my goodness. So I don't know. I don't like the floppy binder. Like I don't like the style of it, and I don't necessarily think I'm going to like how it looks on the shelf with my other binders, but I love that it fits my Erin Condren sticker sheets. Love, love, love it. So I don't know yet. This is just another option I have when I'm going to reevaluate my whole storage system. All right, that is it. That concludes the sticker storage series. How I store my weekly kits, some other miscellaneous sticker storage things and dilemmas that I have. Again, I am open to any recommendations or suggestions that you have, anything that has worked for you. Clearly, I have some things that work for me and some things that I really like and really enjoy, and some things that just need to be revamped. So I'm still trying to figure that out, but I hope that you got something out of this series. I know it was highly requested for a very long time, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning!